Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a eyedropper tool. First guys, you want to go to the file menu and you want to open. Otherwise you want to come to the recent document. Here two images it is there. These two images I want to open in my Illustrator. First image is there guys, that is called a birthday background, and you want to click on the home button. When I want to click on the home button, that time I want to select another image. Now you want to see guys, when I want to open these two images, first image you want to come. After that guys, here you want to come to the toolbar. In the toolbar you want to select the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool shortcut key is there I. Why I want to use the eyedropper tool means, using the eyedropper tool you want to select exact color code. Now guys, I am selecting my eyedropper tool. Here you want to see guys, various of balloons it is there, various colors of balloons it is there. Which color you want to just go there and click on it. When you want to go there and click, that time you want to see in my fill color the same color it is coming. Just double click on that fill color. Then guys, here you want to see, here HSB color code it is there, RGB color code is there, and CMYK color code, and this is the HEX color code. Like that type, different type of color codes you want to select it using the eyedropper tool. Just select the eyedropper tool and I want to select this blue color it is coming. I want to select the red color and pink color. Which color you want to select like this. You want to come to the second image. Here also various of colors it is there. In that colors also, just you want to select the eyedropper tool and you want to click which object on that object on the click. That time in that object which color is filled, that color is coming here like this. Like this type you want to use this option guys, that is eyedropper tool. Next you want to come to the measure tool. When you want to select the measure tool, that time I want to zoom the picture. This square box, this rectangular is there now, this rectangular width and height I need. That time guys, you want to select the measure tool. When you want to select the measure tool and you want to drag top to bottom here. When I want to drag top to bottom, that time my height it is coming 58.6, not 1 point, and I want to measure this width, means that time I want to left to right, I want to drag and drop. My width is there 99.7244. Like that type you want to use this measure tool. Using the measure tool you can measure the any object width and height. Like that type you want to use eyedropper tool and measure tool. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.